Hello. Butthole. Oh, look at the poquito burgers. My fart went away now. I am so sorry. Lo siento. What are you trying to say to me right now? I miss Sofilos. But today we aren't going to do that. Now, are we, Chelsea? Are we? Oh, I'm not even... You didn't make the cut. I'm still the biggest. I just don't know what happened. I can't believe it. I just don't know what happened. I mean, my little puppy went to sleep completely. He just never came home. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do. I just can't live without my puppy dog. Is my nose big? I got those text messages. Yeah, see, señorita, those pillows. Oh, I made myself cry just now. Ew, that's really gross. I'm watching you. Yeah. Tomorrow's Easter. Easter! Drinking and driving is not good. Very bad for you. It is not good. Don't ever do it, okay? Hi, I'm Hannah Montana. And I have a nasal problem. Oh, I need someone to do the pop-pop golf with me. I will do it with you. Oh, Hannah. Oh, Hannah. Nice to see you today. I'm William. Gnome. What are you trying to say? Look at your nose. Like, let's get some tissues. Oh, go get some. Wait. That came out of my butt, guys. That one came out of my butt. Wait for me. Don't stick it up. Ow, wait. I'm gonna show you this really cool. I'm making the tissues up in your